nothing like living a simple life. Something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. Just want to take a minute to show off 1 year later. This is our little $25 shed build that we started last April and finished up mid-May, I think it was. Been doing well. I mean, it really has for the cost. I think when it all was said and done, with the metal roofing and all the other little add-ons that we put onto it, and I ran power out to here and all the rest, really still came in under $300, which is just outstanding. They think about now, 2 sheets of plywood would have cost about the cost of this. It's not funny, but it's funny because it's just so absurd. Have you ever heard of hyperinflation, kids? Anyway, this area here, if I hadn't have taken a back injury, would have a fence that goes along here and right to there, and we're going to store some of the garden implements outside, like the trailer you see right there. But this area here is really, it's done well. The siding's held up really well. That was left over from another project, so I didn't have any money in that. And then inside, we decided to use it to store firewood. So this is wood that I split, wood that from trees that came down around the property, and we just store it here and burn it up through the winter, both heating the garage and heating the house. And so this pile kind of grows and shrinks as the year goes on. And I won't take you inside, but inside is now, you know, storage. It's maintained its air tightness or water tightness, I guess you'd say, and it's working out really well in there. So only other addition here, I think, since last year is we added security cameras for the back side of the garage here, and there's another one on the back side over that way that takes care of the driveway and the middle barn as well, so that's kind of nice. And the side, you can see here, stuff's starting to grow up. But yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty cool. For the amount of effort that my wife and I put into building this thing, it's been very worthwhile to have it here on the property. I don't think there's anybody who couldn't use a little extra space on their property, you know, for storage. And that's exactly what this thing turned into. It was just pretty much storage. But I do sometimes hang out in there. There's the workbenches in there, and I'll work on radio equipment or computer repairs inside of there just because it's kind of a clean, dry area to do so. I guess that'll do it for today. It's a short video, but just something I wanted to show. If you can find stuff like this, you can get some really cool deals. And you just got to keep your eyes out for it. This was kind of a cull wood package that was a building, you know, and we just took all of our other scraps. All the windows were included in it. That siding was scrap. The roofing was every piece but one piece of that roofing was left over from another project. So there's always ways to keep costs down. Of course, during this new phase of the global catastrophe, it's a little harder to keep money in our wallet than it ever was. But there's still ways to be you know, frugal and get jobs like this done. Till next time, my friends, take care.